Dear children, welcome to this EduSet English teleteaching program. In the last 3 sessions, we discussed prepositions part 1, part 2, part 3. Today, we are going to discuss prepositions part 4, the last part of this chapter. As you know, my dear students, this is a very long chapter and a lot of ideas are there in the textbook. So, let us discuss some very important things, and you can also do all the activities at home, right. Let us start from a simple paragraph, a small story. Look at the picture, you can find a monkey is going out, right. So, let us know why the monkey is going out. Read the paragraph and mark the prepositions and know the story. A monkey walked into my living room when I was reading the newspaper, right. Suddenly, the steam from the pressure cooker went off. So, I was cooking food and suddenly the steam from the pressure cooker went off. So, there was a very big sound and the monkey got scared, he was afraid of the sound and ran out of the room through the rear door. So, very simple paragraph, a small story. तमे सब बुझी पारिथिबो गपटी केते सुंदर गपटी, right. Now, look at and mark the prepositions which are used in red color. Walked into my living room. So, into that refers to place into my living room. From the pressure cooker, steam from the pressure cooker, right, it talks about the place. And the monkey got scared and ran out of the room, again it talks about the place. Through which? Through the rear gate, the back door, rear door, right. So, all these 4 prepositions they talk about place. I have used this paragraph just to remind you of the previous discussions. In the first session, we discussed the prepositions of place. Let us go to the next paragraph. Now, you read this paragraph and mark the prepositions. We went to Nandankanan Zoo at the weekend. I have not marked, I have not used any color. On Sunday morning, we drove to our friends, Ashrit and Asmit. They went with us. We got there at 10 in the afternoon. We spent the whole day and returned late in the evening. At night, it suddenly began to rain. I was told that it rained there almost every night. So, my dear children, now you read and mark the prepositions to Nandankanan to, right, at the weekend, at, right, on. So, to and at here that are prepositions of place. On Sunday morning, so I have already discussed in the morning, but on Sunday morning. So, on preposition that is used to refer to time. We drove to our friends to, again it talks about place, to our friends Ashrit and Asmit. They went with us, with, right, with us, again this is another preposition, right. We got there at 10 in the afternoon, at 10, at again talk about time, and returned late in the evening. So, in, at night. So, these prepositions are used, both the prepositions of time, place and some other prepositions have been used in this paragraph. So, we have discussed all these things. Let us do the exercises which have been given in your textbooks, so that you can understand and you can have a lot of practice about using prepositions. So, read the sentences, fill in the blanks in the following sentences with appropriate prepositions. I, the young men are swimming dash the sea. I, there is a level dash the medicine bottle. 3, there is a TV set dash the corner of the room. 4, London is dash the Thames, right. So, let us see the answers. The young men are swimming in the sea, large area. To talk about large area, we can use in, a vast area. There is a label on the medicine bottle, contacted, linked, very, that means it is on the medicine bottle. There is a TV set on the corner of the room. I have already told you, to talk about the corner inside a room we can use on, not in the corner, we can say on the corner. London is on the Thames. The Thames is the name of a river, Thames is the name of a river. As we say Cuttack is on the Mahanadi, London is on the Thames, Thames Nadi Kulare London avasthita, right. Let us go to the next questions. Now you read, John was brought up dash a farm, but at the age of 60 he was sent to work dash a shop. When we visited Hyderabad, we stayed dash the Chista Hotel. I would prefer to work dash a factory. He told me that he lived dash 25 Ashok Nagar, Bhubaneswar. Let us see the answers. John was brought up on a farm. I have already told you. When the farm is open, then we can say on a farm. But at the age of 60, he was sent to work in a shop, because a shop is a room. So, it is, that means it is surrounded by the walls. So, in a shop, but on a farm. Then VI, when we visited Hyderabad, we stayed at the Justa Hotel. I have already told you, at ELTI, at Orsak, at school, at the hotel. So, we use at. I would prefer to work in a factory. So, we can say in a factory, on a farm. He told me that he lived at 25 Ashok Nagar. We have already discussed, कौनसी जगार जदि गोटे निर्दिष्ट स्पेसिफिक प्लेस रहिबो तबे आमे आट लगेबा इन भुवनेश्वर बट at 25 Ashok Nagar. This is the name of a plot. So, it talks about a specific place, right. That is why it points a specific place, that is why we can say at 25 Ashok Nagar, Bhubaneswar, right. So, next one, my father is employed as a cashier dash the local branch of the Allahabad bank. He was dash me at school, right. My hat fell dash a chair as I was leaving the room. He has 10 men working dash him. Now, you see the answers. My father is employed as a cashier at the local branch of Allahabad bank, at the bank, you see, at school, at bench, at bank. He was below me at school, suggest lower than, that means he below me, that means mo tale se thila, mu tar thu bhalo paduthili, se mo tale thila, he was below me at school. My hat fell dash a chair, on a chair, right. Now, I have already told you on a chair, in the chair, on the chair. Jodi hato thiba chair hithiba ame kahiba he is sitting in the chair, we have already discussed, right. So, you can use in the chair, you can also use on the chair. He has 10 men working under him means under his control, right, tanko niyantrane, tanko adhinare. So, we can say under him, and they were standing dash the hillside, they were walking together dash the beach. He waited half an hour dash the corner of the street. She divided the cake dash her 5 children. So, my dear children, these questions are there in your exercises. You should do all these things, so that you can remember the use of prepositions, right, otherwise you can't. So, please do all these things. Now, look at the answers. They were standing by the hillside, near to the hillside, near the hillside. They are walking together on the beach. On the beach means one from one side to another. We can say also together along the beach, from one side to another, right. He waited half an hour at the corner of the street, at the corner. Sethi dekhutile on the corner of the room, but here at the corner of the street. This is the difference. Please remember, on the corner of a room, gote gharar gote corner hela on the corner, but gote street re jetole ame kohuche at the corner of the street. She divided the cake among her 5 children. I have already told you, we have discussed between and among. When 2 people are there, 2 jana achhanti tale ame between 2. She divided the cake between Rama and Hari, 2 friends. But when the number is more than 2, then we can say among her 5 friends, right. So, I cannot see any difference dash these 2 books, right. She made him dash the front door. He could not keep himself from falling dash the wall, right. So, you see, I cannot see any difference between these 2 books, I have already told you between and among, right. She met him at the means at the exact place. He could not keep himself from falling against the wall. କାନ୍ଥରେ ସେ ବାଡ଼େଇ ହେଇକି ପଡ଼ିଗଲା, ନିଜେ ରହିପାରିଲାନି, right. Activity 2, fill in the following blank spaces with appropriate prepositions. So, this exercise is based on the prepositions of time. The meeting started dash 10 o'clock. The house should be finished dash next month. He has been sick dash the day he arrived. He came here dash a winter evening. He has been ill dash the last month. You look at the answers. The meeting started at 10 o'clock. I have already discussed. When we talk about an action or an event which starts or which takes place or which happen at a particular moment, we can use at. The house should be finished by next month. That means will be finished, the project will be finished by next month. आम कही गोटे शेष हम के मसरे शेष हम ये दिन शेष हम when we use by. He has been sick since the day he arrived. That means from since his arrival day, particular time it points, right. He came here on a winter evening, on a winter evening, in winter, in the evening, but on a winter evening we have discussed. He has been ill for the last month, we have already discussed for and since. Since talks about a particular point and when the action starts or started and it is continuing till now, but for is used to talk about a period of time, right. He has been ill dash last month, the train never arrives dash time. The Second World War ended dash 1945. We leave for France dash Friday. We are having a party dash New Year. The work must be finished dash December. He started his journey dash daybreak, right. So, now look at the answers. He has been ill since last month. So, the train never arrives on time. I have already discussed on time and in time. In time means before, earlier than. On time means exact time. The Second World War ended in 1945. In 1945, right. We leave for France on Friday, on Sunday, on Monday, right. We are having a party on New Year. On New Year means on the New Year's day, right. The work must be finished during December. During is a period, that means that must be finished during this month. He started his journey at daybreak, right. So, my dear students, now we discussed the first two exercises. Let us go to discuss some other prepositions, prepositions indicating means of travel. When we travel using some vehicles and how we can use prepositions correctly for these vehicles. You just say Mini goes to college daily by bicycle, by bus, by car, by train, by taxi, by rickshaw, right, by air, by aeroplane, by sea, by ship, by water we can use. But if we use an article a or the before the noun, then you just see on his or on a bicycle or on the bicycle. That means by bike, but on his or on a bicycle or on the bicycle. So, my dear children, you remember whenever an article a the is used before the means of travel, we can use prepositions on or in is usually used. You just see where we use in. Akash is going to Delhi on the plane on a ship, but Badri is going to school in a car. So, sometimes we use in also, right. So, you just see Akash is going to Delhi on a plane, on a ship, not in a plane, not in a ship, but in a car we can use this, right. Then modes of communication, you just see he sent the messages by post, by cable, by telegram, by telephone, by hand, right. I sent the messages by letter, by radio, by email, by mail. But when we change the sentence, you just look at the example, second example. He talked to his friend by telephone, he talked to his friend by telephone, but he talked about this on or over telephone. टिक्की difference देखो, by telephone, and when we use about this, we should not use by telephone we should use on or over telephone, right. And modes of communication, you see the family members are watching cricket match on television, right. So, on the screen means on television, they are listening an interesting program on the radio, right. So, on television, on the radio, not in the radio, not in the television, we should say on the screen, on television, right. So, the last one you just see, he paid the bill by check, by credit card, in cash. So, we can say he paid the bill by check, by credit card, but we should not say by cash, we should say in cash. So, dear children, now you understand all these things, the mode of payment, mode of communication, mode of means of transport, and we have also some more exercises we can do, and we can understand and we can remember the use of prepositions better. So, my dear students, we have some very important prepositions. We use prepositions of instrument, right, and usually we use with. When we do something with an instrument, we use with. You just see the examples. They are writing with their pens. So, the children, they are sitting, they are writing with their pens, they are doing something, and what is the action? Writing is the action. That is why we can say with what they are writing? With their pens. So, with a pencil, with a knife, he is cutting the apple with a knife, but the old woman is walking with a stick. So, when we take the help of some instruments, we can use the preposition with, right. He took something with both hands, using both the hands. Now, you see, if we say ink or pencil, with a pen, but in ink, in pencil, remember this is the difference. The letter was written, or I am writing, or the children are writing in ink, the children are writing in pencil, but with a pencil. So, when we use an article, we use with, but when we without article ink or pencil, for ink or pencil, we use in. Now, you see the picture was painted in oils. So, different types of oil colors, painted in, right. So, writing in ink, writing in pencil, painted in oils, please remember all these things, right. Next, prepositions of agency, means and instrumentality, and for all these things we use by. The temple was designed by Ravi, passive sentence, right. He makes a living by teaching, he makes a living, he earns money, that means by this means, right. He was killed by lightning, instrumentality, by lightning he was killed. The man was killed by a falling chimney, right. So, what happens when we talk about agents, means and instrumentality, we use the preposition by, right. So, let us do some activities, then we can have a better practice of using prepositions. Fill in the blanks in the sentences with appropriate prepositions. He went to America, dash an aeroplane. He went to Delhi, dash the Rajdhani Express. He sent the books, dash registered parcel. He dug the pit, dash a shovel. Please look at the answers. He went to America on an aeroplane, I have already told you, on an aeroplane, on a ship, right, what in car. I have already told you by air, by aeroplane, but if you use article, then the preposition will be on, by aeroplane, but on an aeroplane. He went to Delhi by Rajdhani Express or by train, but on the Rajdhani Express, when we use article the or a, we use on. He sent the books by registered parcel, means of transportation, by parcel, by phone, by mail, like this, right. He dug the pit with a shovel, right, an instrument. So, for instrument with an axe, with a shovel, with a spade, we use with, right. He talked to his friend dash telephone. He paid his dues dash cash. If you have not got any cash on you, you can pay dash check. The answer was written dash a pencil. The answer was written dash pencil. So, you just see we have already discussed. He talked to his friend by telephone, right, by mobile, by telephone. But we have already discussed he talked to his friend about this on telephone. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏତିକି ଟିକେ ମନେ ରଖ, ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ବିଷୟରେ ସେ କହୁଛି ବୋଲି ଆମେ କହିବା ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା ଅନ୍ ବା ଓଭର ଟେଲିଫୋନ୍. ହି ଟକ୍ଡ ଟୁ ହିଜ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ about his problems over telephone, but he talked to his friend by telephone. He paid his dues in cash, but by check. You look at VIA. The answer was written with a pencil, right, but in pencil. So, with a pencil and in pencil. So, let us go to some more important prepositions. Sometimes, my dear children, we use some prepositions which are used for idiomatic uses. Idiomatic uses ओडिया आम सब कहो रूढ़ी पे प्रति भाषा रे to make the language sweeter, lucid, टिके मिठालिया करिवा पाई मजा करिवा पाई आमे बेले बेले idiomatic use रूढ़ी प्रयोग करिथाउ proverbs सब व्यवहार करिथाउ language रे. And when we use prepositions also, there are some prepositions which are selected for idiomatic uses. You have a very long list in your book. I have just selected some just to show you. For example, at play, at work, by mistake. I did it by mistake. ए मु टिके एटा भूल रे कर देली माने मजा करिक मु कहूची अरे भाई एटा गोटा भूल हे गेला. I did it by mistake. In danger, at table, in particular, by chance, by design, in depth, at dinner, at home, by accident, in a hurry, at breakfast, by sight, by day, by night, in need, right. A friend in need is a friend indeed, in need, right, indeed. At heart, I remember this, at heart, by name, in phone, oh I told you in phone, in trouble. So, for idiomatic uses sometimes we use prepositions and you have a long list, you can read all these sentences, all these prepositions, and let us do this activity so that you can also get some ideas. His decision took me dash surprise, he is very kind dash hurt. Ravi has been holiday for the last 2 weeks, the house is dash sell. Now, you look at the answer. His decision took me by surprise, मजा को ओ ता निष्पत्ति ना मते टिके भारी आश्चर्य लागेला माने you just see the language, right. He is very kind at heart. Ravi has been on holiday for the last 2 weeks, right. The house is on sale, there are 100 people there dash all. I was able to know dash site. Acted dash wants to save the boy's life. When I arrived in his house, he was dash lunch. His dash a visit to Delhi. Now, you go to the answers. There were 100 people there in all, that means total, in total. I was able to know by sight. देखो तो जान दिली. He acted at once, suddenly. You just see how beautifully the prepositions they give meanings, right. He acted at once to save the boy's life. When I arrived in his house, he was at lunch. He is on a visit to Delhi, right. Now, you see we have some prepositions which are definite prepositions, you cannot change, and we have some these prepositions they actually are used depending on the verbs inquire, remind, worry about, inquire, after, protest or warn against, right, admire, blame, leave, provide, search, thank, for. So, for all these verbs we can use for. Die, defer, exempt, hear, made, prevent, recover, save, for all these verbs we can use from, die from, defer from, exempt from, hear from, made from, like this believe in, deal in, interfere in, invest in, specialize in, trust in, these are very fixed. That means, these prepositions they will go with these verbs. You cannot change these prepositions. When there are verbs like this, you can have to use this, right. So, accuse, approve, boast, complain, consist, cure, die, made, remind, rob, warn, these verbs they also take this preposition of, right. So, my dear students, we have many verbs and the verbs they can select their prepositions. So, you have a long list in your book, please read all these things, do the exercises, so that you can easily remember the use of prepositions. So, my dear students, in these 4 sessions we started with the identification of a preposition and we discussed classification of a preposition, different types of prepositions. We discussed different types of prepositions basing on their functions, basing on their uses, and prepositions of place, prepositions of time, prepositions of means, prepositions of communication, and prepositions of instruments, and how prepositions they are also used with the other words, they are called idiomatic use of prepositions, and also we discussed a little about how the verbs they also select the prepositions. So, I think you have understood something, and please read and do all the exercises at home, and you can use prepositions better in your examinations. Thank you very much.